Here we are installing transition between a fireplace and an LVP using 5/8 of an inch PVC quarter round. So what we're doing is putting glue here, the same glue. Okay, the glue is actually Loctite PL 8X. Okay, the premium. And you can see here we put quite a bit of glue. And now we're going to attach it. So let me look again to the glue. Here's the glue that we're using. It's a Loctite Premium Fast. This glue is very, very strong. But you have to leave it like that for at least 24 hours. This is the tools we are using to cut the quarter round in a 45 degrees here. It's very simple to cut the quarter round. Let me show you a demonstration.
The door is 22.5.
And the door is 22.5?
Yes.
Okay, so that's what you put 22.5.
Like this.
Put it like that and then you cut it? Okay.
That way the face.
So here's it, 45. If you want to cut 45, you just put it like this.
45.
That's it, that's very good. After we attach the quarter round to the stone of the fireplace, we just clean now the remains of the glue just to make it clean. So we can putting here a tape around it, okay, that it will attach it properly. It won't move. You can see what we're doing here, huh? See the same thing we're doing from here. At least every 5 inch we put the glue and then we attach it together. And here we have the threshold. So we just clean the glue now. Let me show you how it looks like. Let it sit for 24 hours and then we will remove the tape.